Oh my god, it's so scary. There's no limit. And now, let's embark on a challenging journey as the trucks struggle to transport timber through the most treacherous terrain. The curtain rises on a dramatic scene. It's terrifying. A train crash throws everything into chaos. Horsepower engines roar through dust and shattered steel. Oh my god, what a terrifying yet fascinating test. The huge rock fell straight onto the LHD cabin. The engine and steel frame shook violently, demonstrating the machine's incredible strength and durability. The sight was overwhelming, proving the machine's extraordinary endurance. Unbelievable. With just one powerful push, the excavator brought down the giant water tower. The engine roared, the horsepower exploded, the steel frame shook as the tower collapsed in an instant. This mechanical power was truly amazing. No one expected that in just a moment, the 45-foot boat with a powerful engine suddenly slipped and capsized when it was launched.
Oh my god.
The unexpected scene stunned everyone, showing that just a small deviation was enough to turn a launching into a dramatic incident.
Oh my god, look at that.
Unable to take his eyes off the dramatic scene, the operator recklessly operated the quarry machine in the marble quarry. The powerful engine roared. The crawler crushed the stone surface. Each heavy block of marble was separated under the incredible mechanical power. With impressive power from a modern engine, the Caterpillar 730 roars like thunder, transmitting powerful power to the six-wheel drive system. The sturdy frame and advanced hydraulic system help the vehicle easily conquer all harsh terrain in the quarry.
Как всегда, 12 часов ночи.
Two powerful KAMAZ trucks struggled to pull a crane weighing more than 88,000 pounds on a muddy road. Although the empty tanks were less than 33,000 pounds, the horsepower of both engines still struggled to overcome the difficulties, creating a tense and fierce scene in the flooded mud. In the middle of the marble quarry, a Volvo machine with a powerful horsepower engine is rocking on the rough terrain, handling giant rocks. The wheels grind the rock surface. The engine roars continuously, showing impressive power and stability in mining. Two skilled operators control the JCB to precisely lift and lower the soil onto the fully loaded truck. They skillfully erect the wing fence to create a sturdy ramp. With its powerful and flexible engine, the JCB is always a powerful tool for any task. Next, giant machines powered by powerful horsepower engines work tirelessly to cut, transport, and process the stone. The highlight is the Volvo chisel, roaring loudly, drilling deep into the hard rock, conquering each marble block weighing tons with impressive and precise manner. The Bulldozer and the Excavator with powerful horsepower engines work together to push the large rock down the hill. The overwhelming mechanical power demonstrated superior ability to handle difficult terrain and heavy loads. During the breathtaking rescue process, the Howe dump truck overturned while going downhill. Immediately, the 110,000-pound specialized crane roared and extended its boom, lifting the heavy steel block, creating a spectacular display of technical coordination and top-notch mechanical power. In the dramatic, decisive moment, the JCB engine roared in the mud. The tracks slowly gripped the ground. We pulled hard together, each precise movement helping the machine slowly escape the mud hole. It was an exciting scene, showing strength and skillful skills. At the exhibition, the Cat wheel loader engines roared with power, showing off their strength and sophistication. The giant machines moved skillfully, demonstrating the pinnacle of technology and outstanding durability, making all eyes admire. With the roaring sound of metal, the giant Boeing 747 that once took flight was now being torn apart piece by piece. With only the roaring link belt machine and the monster-like steel arm, every part weighing tons was torn apart one by one, turning into a giant pile of scrap. The S-Hushit engine power resounded as the fallen tractor was pulled out of the abyss. The durable transmission system and superior traction helped the machine make a spectacular escape, affirming the class of technology in the most extreme situations. The JCB engine roars, the tracks grip the ground. The excavator with superior mobility slowly climbs out of the deep hole. The power and durability of the machine and the delicate control skills turn the challenge into a spectacular victory. Under difficult terrain conditions, Cat 966H glides through the mud fight, transporting heavy rocks. With a powerful engine and a sturdy track system, the excavator easily faces the mud, moves nonstop, carrying huge loads to overcome the challenge. It was fascinating to see the powerful Valtra 1780 pulling the stuck Massey 292. Both machines' wheels were spinning in the mud, engines roaring, dust flying up. Each pull was like a tug of war between the power of the machine and the power of the ground. The engine roared violently. Then in a suffocating moment, the body of the Volvo A40 slowly moved, escaping the swamp like a wild beast that had just broken out of its cage. The towering crane with its powerful engine slowly lifted the heavy dismantling machine. The moment the broken chimney was demolished, the scene of it floating in the air was so wonderful that people couldn't take their eyes off it. In every tough job, the Caterpillar 980M wheel loader excels with its powerful horsepower engine, moving flexibly on two large wheels. Perfect for road projects, construction sites, mining, and heavy-duty transportation, it demonstrates outstanding strength and durability. Oh no, the mighty excavator suddenly broke down in the middle of the excavation, making the scene breathtaking and tense. On the tough job site, the CAT 326FLN and CAT 336FLNME are equipped with powerful Atlas Copco hydraulic hammers, with outstanding horsepower engines roaring continuously. These machines crush all obstacles, demonstrating unrivaled mechanical power. The CAT D9T Bulldozer with its powerful and durable engine can overcome all types of terrain, even fast-flowing streams. The machine's strength and flexibility help conquer all challenges, creating an impressive and powerful scene. In the heavy transport journey, the powerful shore transport supersized machines follow each other, overcoming all challenges. High-power engines, maximum load-bearing wheels, ensuring the safe transport of bulky goods through all harsh and dangerous roads. With its powerful 150 horsepower engine, the 44,092-pound Komatsu PC-200 amphibious excavator easily operates on flooded terrains. Its ability to work efficiently in harsh environments makes this excavator an essential tool in construction and extraction operations. When witnessing the Brame and Strawman convoy transporting two halves of a low-pressure turbine shell, these powerful vehicles ensure the safe and efficient transport of the largest turbine components ever produced by GE, valued at millions of dollars.